clue hunt.
Mr. Green's garden.
Charlie and Midnight observe Mr. Green, the gardener, who is acting suspiciously near the old oak tree.
Why is Mr. Green always around the old oak tree? Let's keep an eye on him. Midnight's discovery.
Midnight sneaks into Mr. Green's shed and finds an old map. She brings it back to Charlie.
Great job, Midnight. This map shows a hidden path beneath the oak tree.
The secret revealed.
The hidden path.
Charlie and Midnight follow the map to a hidden path beneath the old oak tree. They discover an underground chamber filled with stolen goods and ancient artifacts.
This must be the treasure from the legend. But who is behind all this?
Unmasking the culprit.
Mr. Green appears, surprised to see Charlie and Midnight.
You too? How did you find this place?
The legend led us here. We know you've been stealing to find the treasure. Midnight hisses as Mr. Green